Hi, we've just tried to do a little video about this, and I just probably know, after a few takes of trying to get my words unmumbled, that you probably heard quite a lot of banging upstairs. I just wanted to show you what that is. So come with me to see the monster that causes and ruins all our videos. And he is on one today. You with that? Hello.
Hello.
So this is the monster that is causing all the banging, carrying bins around, jumping up people, being an absolute menace to society, but you can't help but love him, can you? That's true.
It's been somewhat interrupted.
Yes, it's been somewhat interrupted.